California's new virus curfew does not apply to Tesla workers. State Health Department says Tesla is exempt and is called essential workforce. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Tina Bellon reports from the Reuters and says workers at the Tesla Incorporated California vehicle factory, means Fremont factory, are deemed essential and are not impacted by California state's latest restrictions to curb a new surge in this virus infections. The California Health Department said on yesterday. Tesla and local California officials in March engaged in a heated months-long standoff, if you remember, over restrictions imposed to curb the first wave of infections, which culminated in the company's chief executive Elon Musk defying health orders, suing local officials in Alameda County, and threatening to leave California. California's governor on Thursday imposed a curfew on social gatherings and on other non-essential activities. Beginning on Saturday, meaning beginning today, the stay-at-home order prohibits non-essential business from 10 p.m. until 5 a.m. each day and applies in the majority of the state's counties, including Alameda County, where Tesla's factory is located. Asked whether the order applied to workers at Tesla Fremont factory, the California Department of Public Health in a statement said it did not apply to employees deemed essential workers with manufacturing listed as an essential workforce. Here is what the office said. The office said the critical manufacturing sector identifies several industries to serve as the core of the sector, including transportation equipment manufacturing products, the office said. CNBC first reported on the health department's policies and according to Reuters, under California law, local counties can impose more restrictive measures than mandated by the state. Alameda County, where Tesla's Fremont factory is located, on Friday did not immediately respond to a request for comment from Reuters. Reuters also reports that in a statement on Monday, the county's health department said it was following state guidance but may act to restrict activities beyond the state's requirements. During the initial virus outbreak in March, local officials ordered Tesla to halt production, and Tesla's factory remained shut down for roughly 6 weeks. It was shut down for much shorter period in Gigafactory Shanghai in China, but billionaire Elon Musk in early May defied county orders by reopening Tesla's Fremont factory, telling county officials he stood ready for arrest. Now, if you remember, in March, Alameda County officials initially at that time told Tesla it was not exempt from an order requiring non-essential business in 6 Bay Area counties to shut down. The Tesla plant continued operating, with company executives arguing it was national critical infrastructure. That was the quote, national critical infrastructure, even though it did not appear to fit the description of a quote-unquote essential business in the order. Tesla eventually said on March 19 that it would comply with the Bay Area order and shut down operations at the Fremont factory, where its Model 3, Model S, Model X, and Model Y were assembled on March 23rd of this year. And then the company agreed to reduce its workforce there to what is called basic operations. In May, CEO of Tesla Elon Musk announced he was reopening Tesla's Fremont plant, even though it violated the local shelter-in-place order, The Verge reports. He filed a lawsuit against the county and threatened to move its operations out of California. He was later accused of creating a public health risk. That was a quote, public health risk, by reopening his factory before being authorized to do so. Last week, Elon Musk announced he likely had a moderate case of this virus. At least 6 Tesla employees tested positive for this virus following the reopening of Fremont factory since May. Alameda County officials could still impose, like I said, stricter stay-at-home orders, which would supersede the state order, but have not done yet anything. Now, Elon Musk on October 30th tweeted saying, "I've spent more than half my life in California and love the state. But frankly, I think California has the winning for too long problem. Like a sports team with many championships, it is increasingly difficult to avoid complacency and a sense of entitlement." He tweeted that as a response to Tesla owner's Silicon Valley Twitter account, which tweeted, "How are you feeling about California?" And that's what Elon Musk said. On November 14, Musk disclosed that he likely had a moderate case of virus, which I said, and was experiencing symptoms. Although he also said that he tested 4 different times, the same day, same place, and got 2 positive and 2 negative. The news that Tesla's factory can continue operating under the safety plans previously agreed upon by the county and state health authorities will come as a relief to some Tesla shareholders and for Tesla in general. CFO of Tesla Zachary Kirkhorn said during a third quarter earnings call that Tesla is still aiming for deliveries of 500,000 electric vehicles in 2020. Even with a new Shanghai factory online this year, that number still proves a big challenge to Elon Musk's car company. In 2019, Tesla delivered approximately 367,500 vehicles. Tesla, CNBC reports, was not immediately available to respond a request for comment. Now, I think that since in 2019 Tesla has delivered approximately 367,500 vehicles, and Tesla has been increasing each quarter its vehicle sales and delivery numbers, it is very possible for Tesla to achieve its 500,000 electric vehicle delivery goal in 2020, despite this virus and all the difficulties and these restrictions of international travel and so on of this year. So it may be possible, and Tesla may be on the right path. As I remember a few days ago, Tesla in the past 2 months, only in the United States, has hired 2,000 delivery and sales, not the words, executives, not just specialists. Maybe they call it executives, but that's what the word was. Delivery and sales executives. That means they are decision makers to speed up and increase its deliveries. And Tesla has also increased the delivery and service centers in China. So I think it is very possible for Tesla to continue pushing its numbers up so they can reach this 500,000 electric vehicle delivery goal. I'm glad that Tesla is working and is called essential business, and that Tesla Fremont factory is going to operate, because that would be crucial for Tesla to meet this 500,000 electric sales delivery goal in 2020. I would like to see if that's the case also with other car makers in different states, if there are going to be new restrictions, because apparently there is a surge in virus. I don't know, but that's what media says and authorities say. And so what are their plans? If you guys know anything about this, please subscribe. Please let me know in the comment section below. I greatly appreciate this. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please let me know what your thoughts are for Tesla being considered as an essential worker, and that California's new virus curfew not applying to Tesla. I think this is a big relief for Tesla. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. And also please know that we're hiring Tesla reporters at our torquenews.com website. We're paying for it, and if you're looking for good part-time position to write about Tesla, if you have interest and you're a Tesla enthusiast, please contact me using the contact information on our channel's about page, where you can see my email. You can send me an email or just use the contact information at torquenews.com. You can check our latest Tesla stories at torquenews.com/Tesla, and where we have daily several stories published about Tesla. In the meantime, have a wonderful rest of the day, everyone. God bless you. Please subscribe to our channel. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Have a wonderful rest of the day.